So we have a couple of onions in here, and they're sweated down just a little bit. And then we have our big bad raw chicken, which, I don't know, I feel like everybody's got a chicken or some chicken parts in the freezer.
I absolutely do.
When you're sick, when you don't feel good.
I have 2 chickens in my freezer.
Yes! Homegirl is right. So, breast side down. You know why we do that? It's to keep it moist and delicious. We're gonna roast this for a while. And it just goes right on top of the onions.
S&P.
Salt and pepper all over, and more than you actually want. I mean, more than you think.
Because you're flavoring the water, you're flavoring the soup broth.
And when you're sick, you can't taste very much. You want it extra seasoned. And then here's some water. And when you're not feeling well, your kids aren't feeling well, you need something that's like basic and brilliant. So here goes. And that's not what you think of for traditional chicken soup. It's like chicken soup and a roasted chicken mixed together.
Right.
So this little guy's gonna go in the oven. Let me get this, and I'm gonna pull out, swap out.
This one, babe?
These are so cool. I always feel like amazing, right? And it's like a towel too. So this little guy's going in here. Big reach.
Okie doke.
Couple of hours, 350 degrees.
Then you want that guy?
Then this one's coming out. And I want to show you guys how pretty. Your oven does all the work. And look at it. And you shred it out, put it back in this gorgeous broth.
It's just chicken and broth.
That's it,
I mean,
you guys.
it's beautiful. It's so healthy and delicious.
This will make you feel good. And then we're gonna serve him up. You're gonna put a big old bunch on that polenta.
You serve it on a bed of polenta?
Yes.
I would just eat the chicken in the broth.
We do. We put them in the broth. I mean, anywhere, any way you want to eat it is so good. This is my ultimate comfort food.
There you go.
It's it. It's delicious.
Beautiful.
And if you want to take it a step further, we're going to do the cafeteria style chicken and gravy from the book. Pour it in, baby. So we've got a half a cup of butter.
So you make a roux, right?
Yep, and this is free therapy. In case anybody was wondering, I don't know what it is about stirring that and the sound. I don't know, it's like ASMR.
And the smell of the butter and the flour melting together and bubbling.
And you really want to work it out. So you want to make sure that it's foaming. You want all that water evaporated out of your butter.
As soon as it comes to a bubble, you can start thickening your gravy.
Yep,
You want your stock first?
I want the stock in there. This is liquid gold. This is the chicken drippings. Don't throw the fat away. It's delicious. Ooh, the oohs and ahs. Good job, guys.
I know, but I feel like such a loser when I cook at home because they're not there.
Nobody's there. So we're making like a really silky, delicious gravy that's not
then
like
that
the traditional
bubbles up,
glumpy.
and then you add a little cream or milk?
Yes, we can add some stock too to thin it out.
Yeah, okay.
Of course, because you're on the stock box. Okay, here we go. And heavy cream. Don't play around with milk. Don't play
around with milk.
Don't play around with half and half. Save it for your coffee.
Milk's a loser.
Milk is a loser. There goes some extra.
There you go.
If it's not coating, you don't really care. Okay, here we go.
And then it looks like this guy.
Yeah, then it's gonna look like this guy. And then fresh herbs, because this is, you know, I live and die by something delicious and green. We'll put one in there for good measure, because someone's gonna eat it in a minute.
Yeah.
And then here goes our chicken bit.
Your chickies.
Yes. Look at that.
And then it looks like this guy.
And it looks like this. And you know what's really great? My mom is a cancer survivor. She's a 5-year cancer survivor, late-stage breast cancer.
Isn't 5-year a great,
yes,
big
5 years
milestone?
is what you're
5-year cancer
going
survivor,
for.
her mom is.
She's incredible. She's my inspiration. And when she was sick, she asked for this chicken and gravy.
It's very important for people. A lot of my girlfriends have been battling cancer in the last few years.
Yeah.
It's so important for them to find something that keeps them
love.
eating.
Yes.
You know, it's a
Get
real struggle
calories
for
in.
people that are going
Your
through
mouth
chemo.
hurts, your body
exactly,
hurts. It's
because they
horrible.
have no appetite,
Yeah.
and you absolutely, whatever it is.
And
I don't care if you want buckets of melted ice cream.
It doesn't
or
matter. Get the
pan full
calories
of
in your
chicken.
body.
So this was hers.
Yes, this was hers.
Yep.
And it makes, so now when I think of it, I think of my childhood, I think of my children, I think of my mom being a survivor. And this chicken and gravy, it's like a triumphant dish.
Yeah.
So this is really special to me.
That's
and there it
food
goes.
for the soul.
Yes, yes. It's so good, you guys.
I love you.
Thank you.
So, Danielle just had the re-release of her book because it's so wildly popular. Rustic
Yes.
Joyful Food Generations is available now.